Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you're wondering how you can hide this silent bell icon on your iPhone 15 Pro Max or the iPhone 15 Pro, that is what we're going to do in this video. Now, out of the box, the action button is mapped to be the alert slider. And because you no longer have a slider to look at to determine whether your phone is in silent mode or not, Apple decided to add this silent bell icon in your status bar on the top left. So if you go into settings and then you go into sound and haptics, you will see this option which says show in status bar. If you disable this toggle, the bell icon, the silent bell icon in your status bar on the iPhone 15 Pro or the iPhone 15 Pro Max is going to disappear, and that is how you hide and unhide it. Now do note at this point I have no way of telling that my iPhone 15 Pro Max here is in silent mode. But again, if you want to hide that option of showing the silent bell in the status bar, you have to go into settings and sound and haptics.